In food manufacturing, right first-time production is essential. Retailers expect manufacturers to get the right ingredients, right labeling, and right date code and other information on their products every single time. When things are paper-based and people are involved, though, mistakes can creep in. That's why we've been helping food manufacturers digitalize to improve their supply chains. At OAL, we help manufacturers bring ingredient verification into their auto-coding and packaging verification systems. It creates a simple, reliable process operators can follow on every job. When the operator selects a job, the bill of material loads automatically. Each material is scanned using barcode or RFID, and the system confirms a match before the line can start. We can then also introduce vision cameras to add another layer of confidence by checking labels, pack formats, containers, and also quality of the incoming raw materials. This creates a consistent auditable chain of custody from raw material receipt to the finished product. It reduces risk, cuts investigation time, and speeds up changeovers. We've deployed ingredient verification with leading UK food manufacturers. It gives them the confidence that the right materials are always on the line. If you'd want to explore how ingredient verification can help your business, please reach out to our team.